In 2004, Tim O'Reilly introduced the term Web 2.0, and few could have imagined how this concept would reshape the internet. At the time, the internet was already considered revolutionary, but Web 2.0 promised to take things further, making it more interactive and accessible to everyone. Imagine a world where every individual isn't just consuming information but also creating it. This was the vision of Web 2.0, a space where you didn't need to be a programmer to start a blog on WordPress or share moments of your life on platforms like Instagram. Web 2.0 transformed the internet into a collaborative and participatory space where anyone could contribute. From a technological perspective, this era was nothing short of a revolution. Tools like Ajax made websites more responsive by allowing them to update without requiring a page reload. RSS feeds connected users to constantly updated news and articles, creating a seamless way to stay informed. Social networks began to flourish, and bloggers used platforms to share ideas, mobilize communities, and influence change. As Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of Facebook, famously said, "Social networks have allowed us to feel closer, even when we're miles apart." This period marked the rise of social media as a central part of our lives. However, with these new opportunities came new challenges. Data privacy became a hot topic, especially following high-profile data breaches and scandals. People began to ask, what happens to my data? Who owns it? At the same time, monetization models evolved. While websites initially earned revenue through advertising, they soon started to profit from user data. Experts began to say data is the new oil, emphasizing its value in the modern internet economy. When comparing Web 1.0 and Web 2.0, the differences are striking. Web 1.0 was characterized by static web pages, essentially digital brochures, designed to share information without interactivity. Users were passive consumers, reading or downloading content with little opportunity to contribute. Communication was one way, with website owners broadcasting information to their audiences. Web 2.0, on the other hand, introduced dynamic web pages and platforms for user-generated content. Technologies like Ajax made websites more interactive, and platforms like blogs, wikis, and social networks empowered users to create and share their own content. This shift fundamentally changed user behavior. People became active participants in the internet, engaging with content, sharing their opinions, and interacting with others. The differences between these two stages of the internet are clear. Interactivity. Web 2.0 introduced a new level of engagement, allowing users to comment, share, and even create content themselves. Technological innovations. Tools like RSS enabled easy content subscriptions, while Ajax improved the responsiveness of web applications. Social orientation. Web 2.0 was built around collaboration and social connections, while Web 1.0 focused solely on individual information consumption. The transition from Web 1.0 to Web 2.0 was a revolution in interactivity, user engagement, and technological advancements. It transformed the internet from a static repository of information into a dynamic, multifaceted space for collaboration and exchange. In conclusion, Web 2.0 didn't just change the internet, it changed our culture, the way we interact with the world, and how we connect with each other. It was a time of discovery, innovation, and great promise. But like any transformative journey, it brought challenges that shaped the way we think about technology and its role in our lives.